Hello and welcome friends. Replacement decision in operations research, and we are already on the path of discussing replacement of the items, efficiency of which deteriorates with time, and more precisely single asset with high cost of installation, or say if we use the terminology of replacement decision, this is the case, or these are the cases of individual replacement. We are considering about the replacement of any single asset against the same kind of asset. The utility is utility value of the asset. The role of the asset in the entire organization remains the same, but the difference is of efficiency. And now we are going to discuss the another model. In first model we ignored the time value of money. Now in model 2, replacement policy for the items the running cost of which increases with time, but value of money changes with constant rate during the period. Now there are three main points. The efficiency of the asset decreases with time, running cost of using the asset increases with time, and we are going to consider the time value of money, and we believe that the time value of money changes with constant rate. Now first of all, what do you mean by time value of money? The biggest difference between first model and second model is, in first model we considered the absolute value of money. Rupee 1 receivable or payable in future is considered as rupee 1 at present. But in real life, the case is not of that kind. We know that rupee 1 earns something and becomes greater in future, or rupee 1 in future is something less than rupee 1 today. The earnings are added and in future it will become rupee 1. This is the concept of time value of money. So the running expenses to be incurred in future should not be actually considered as they are. But that point we ignored in the first model. Now we are going to consider the present value of running expenses. If running cost payable after 5 years is to be considered as today we should consider the present value of that running cost payable in future. That is the difference between model 1 and model 2. Now how to find out the present value of running cost of future, or any amount of future, or present value of the future value of money? We all have studied the concept of compound interest in our school days. According to that, the amount or future value of our money is present value into 1 plus rate of interest upon 100 raised to n, that is number of periods for which the amount is compounded during 1 year or during the entire period under consideration. So it is something like this. Now this is the formula to calculate future value. That means principal amount, present value plus compounding interest for a specific period is obtained through this formula. But we know something about the future value of running cost. We have already estimated the future value of the running cost at during year 1 so and so amount will be paid, during 2, during 3rd, during 4th, during 5th year we are going to pay some amount of running cost that we have already estimated. Now we want the present value of that estimated running cost of future. So we are interested in calculating present value. What will be that? Nothing. It will be future value divided by 1 plus r raised to n. This is rate of interest by which the amount is compounded. Now future value are not equal in all the cases for first year, second year, third year. They are always different. So it is preferable to find out the present value factor So if we take future value of rupee 1, that will be something like this. So the present value of rupee 1 will be 1 divided by 1 plus r raised to n. In our case of replacement decision, n will be always integer value year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, so it is not a bigger problem. But what is r? The rate at which the value of money changes during the period. And so far as the problems in examination are concerned, the examiner either will give you the present value factors in the question or in your question paper itself, or at least he has to give you the rate of interest, on the basis of which, by applying this formula, you can easily calculate the present value factor of rupee 1. And with this factor, if we multiply the future value of running cost, the result will be present value of the running cost. So keep this formula in your mind. We will need applying this formula to calculate the present value of future running cost in our few case studies. That's it. Thank you very much.